Hey everybody, greetings. Welcome to upstate New York, right by the Jersey border. Let's do this, man. This is a mad dog run. Trust me, it is a mad dog run. Looks like somebody lives there. Huh. Oh well. Anyway, look at it though. I was gonna try to go in, but I don't know. It looks like somebody lives here. Somebody shoveled the walkway, and it looks like they still live in here. I mean, look. Window, and then this one. So man, it's old. It's ready to be abandoned, I guess. But notice how it says posted. Keep out. I don't know. Anyway, let's get the hell out of here, man. I was gonna explore it. Car over there covered in snow and looks like there's a bulldozer ready to knock something down. There's also an old building right there. Yeah, it looks like they're getting ready to knock something down. No, but this is like about the best I could do, man. See what this old structure is over here before, I don't know, it just doesn't look like anybody lives there. But apparently someone does. And then there's like cars over there, like old, and nobody's using them. And then there's this structure here. And then I'm like walking in like a foot of snow right now, but it's interesting, definitely interesting. It's like a shed over here that collapsed. There's something here. Oh boy. It's got all old stuff in it. Wow. Electrolux. It's like a book.